Hi friends, I'm Raihana. Welcome to my channel. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a special squash with hibiscus flowers. In my mother tongue, Malayalam, it is called as Chembaratti Poovu. You can find the hibiscus flowers in almost every house's garden in Kerala. In UAE and Gulf countries, you can find the dried hibiscus petals in grocery stores. Please watch till the end of the video because I am showing you how to make a special drink with the squash. To make the squash, all we need to do is boil dried hibiscus petals with sugar, cardamom and cloves in water. I have taken here 1 liter water. To this water, I have added 2 tablespoons hibiscus petals, 130 grams of sugar, which is approximately 1.5 cup, along with 3 cardamom and cloves each, and boil well. This has to be boiled for approximately 20 minutes or until the water reduces to half the amount. It has reduced to half the amount. Now drain the squash and discard other items. After that, let it cool. Once it cools down, you can store this in a glass bottle for about 2 weeks and enjoy it anytime. Now I will show you how to make a very special and tasty drink with the squash. Put some ice cubes and mint leaves in a glass. I am decorating the glass with some lime and then pour some squash as required. Squeeze half a lime. Squeezing lime is optional. Then you can pour some water or soda. I am using here soda. So that's it. The drink is ready to serve. It's a very tasty and refreshing drink. So I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. See you soon in another episode with another simple video. Till that time, all of you take care and bye bye.